I hope in the future we will return back to our normal life.
I have Stitch.
Oh,
I always hug her.
well, wait for me. I want to grab
This is
Stitch.
my
Maybe where
friend,
is he?
guys. This is my friend Stitch.
Oh, yeah. Wait till I grab my teddy. Wait.
Okay, Talim.
Well, I
What do you
have
have,
Stitch
Talim?
here. Look,
Malik Hani,
I
what do
have
you have,
Stitch.
Malik Hani? Ryan?
Yes.
Oh, Talim has something here in her. Oh, Captain Hani has a bottle of water. MashaAllah.
Wow.
For me, my friend.
Great. You can hug it. So I really wish that we shall return back to normal life, and I hope to meet you and come to Riyadh or Saudi Arabia and see you guys, because you look so friendly, and I'm so pleased to meet you guys. And I hope you enjoyed my session, and we will return to shaking hands. Eventually, we will. So, oh, Ali Adham, what is this? A shark? Oh my God. So, who has any questions? Oh my God. Hani, excellent. Yes. I hope that we will return back to our normal life, right? Yes. So, any questions? Who wants to ask me a question?
I'm not asking a question. I'm saying I love you.
I love you way more. I'm so happy that I'm talking to you right now.
I love you very much. I will miss you.
Hello.
Yes, yes, we're here.
Okay, okay. So,
Okay, so
okay. Now I would just want to tell you that I'm really very happy to talk to you guys, and I really enjoyed time discussing with you stuff. Hope you enjoyed and you learned a lot from this session. And tell me your opinion, Mr. Hussein.
MashaAllah, thank you, Gigi, for your great effort. I really enjoyed this session and meeting our dear friends. I hope
Yeah.
they enjoyed it, guys.
You.
You have the
I
chance to
love you.
say goodbye. Oh, Ali, what is this, Ali? Is this a monkey or what? Or a shark? Oh, you're very dangerous, Ali. That's a
Yes.
shark. That's he likes to play with fire. Yes,
Yeah.
I love those who are daring, Ali. I love daring people. Yes.
Ritaj also. What is you holding? What are you holding, Ritaj? Oh, what did you call it?
This is Taline.
She said I'm telling her sister.
Taline, okay, Taline. Sorry.
Okay, sorry. We're sorry.
Okay, guys, so I would like you to say thank you to your instructor today, Gigi.
Yeah.
Lebanon.
Nice meeting you guys. I'm really very happy.
So
Thanks.
feel free to send her a heart or a thumb up or whatever you like.
Thank you.
Oh, I love you guys. This is a big heart for you.
Yes. Perfect. Okay, guys, oh, Ali's sending you a
See?
heart. Ali, mashallah, you did it so fast.
Yes. Oh my God. My heart is pumping.
Excellent.
Okay, let's do this together. Show me how your heart is pumping right now with love. Show me.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Oh, Ali's going to jump. Hey, come on,
Okay,
Ali.
send me some fly kisses. Because also in coronavirus, you can send fly kisses. It's better than real kisses, right? Like this.
Okay, guys, thank you so much. It was nice to meet you today for 2 hours. Thank you so much, and I love you to the moon and back. Assalamu alaikum. I love all of
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Ciao. Bye bye. Bye.
Bye.